So, yo, it's me, Jackson-O, with a Cheerio in his mouth. So, we have a mail call today that I think we have 1,000 packages or 1,000 packages. Wait, do you think we have 1,000,000 packages or 1,000,000 packages?
2.
Hey, we got 6-7 packages.
And this is a reshoot.
No,
Yep,
this is a
the second.
video.
This is number 2 shoot. Well,
That's
okay.
definitely
Had a sale over there at TrainWorld for Valentines. So happy Valentines to me. So I picked up an Athearn Caboose Rock Island line, and then the other one thing I have my eye on, since everybody knows this is our 250th anniversary. I picked this up. This was on sale. It's an Athearn Genesis. It's an SD45-2. This is Santa Fe. And this is what I'll be using for our 250th anniversary. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing, commenting. And we will see you later.